Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Poland. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Poland, a country in Central Europe, currently has the 6th largest economy in the European Union, with tourism playing a major economic role. Mining, agriculture, pharmaceuticals and foreign trade also greatly contribute to the country's economy. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years. And as newer traders continue to enter the markets, newer traders will want to find themselves a globally regulated, safe and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Poland and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Poland. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Alpari International. Alpari International is the business name of Xfinity Limited and is regulated and licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius. Alpari International specializes in trading through Forex, metals, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live and demo accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Forex Standard, Forex Micro, Forex ECN, and Pro accounts with up to 4 tradable base currency options, lower spreads, floating and fixed leverage, a variety of tradable market instruments, and more. Alpari also provides their very own Beginner's Guide panel, which takes you through all the fundamentals of Forex trading and strategies, such as guides in commodity and precious metal trading, as well as a variety of webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional education. At number 4, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of helpful ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXTM. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is an online, fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. Easy Markets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and the Easy Markets web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP, and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. Easy Markets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Easy Markets. At number 2, we have Legacy FX. Legacy FX is an online financial broker which was founded in 2012 and is regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. Legacy FX offers users the ability to trade on more than 200 financial instruments, covering CFDs on Forex, metals, oil, cryptocurrencies, indices, and stocks. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, which is supported as a web-based browser application and is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Silver, Gold, Platinum, and VIP accounts with fixed or variable spreads, swap-free options, access to their trading academy, live customer support, no fees, and more. Legacy FX also provides their very own trading academy, which features an introduction to Forex trading educational resources, a variety of helpful trading ebooks, advanced courses in the financial markets, as well as trading tools, such as technical analysis, calculators, analytics, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Legacy FX. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Poland, we have BlackBull Markets. BlackBull Markets is a Forex and CFD broker regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014 with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. BlackBull Markets is a true ECN no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BlackBull Markets web trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic and Active Trader accounts with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. BlackBull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with BlackBull Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Poland on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.